Hi, I'm Wongster1970, and today I'm going to be trying to figure out what this noise is on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tour. Well, the noise is coming from here. So, oh yeah, you can see it moving. I'm going to need a new pulley, and hopefully the shaft isn't messed up. First thing I'm going to do is try to unstake this. I think that should work. Let's see if I can actually turn it with this 36mm socket. Okay, let's see. It's turning. Oh, it was turning. I have to hit the brake. Okay, we've got the rear brake applied. Hopefully that'll give me an extra enough force to keep it from turning over. So that looks like it's been moving back and forth on there for a while. Washer. Let's see how this looks. It's definitely worn. I'm gonna have to loosen up the. I'm gonna have to bring the rear tire up and to get me enough slack to get that off. Okay, I think I have enough slack out of it. I think. Maybe not. There we go. It appears to be whipped pretty good. Let's see how this fits on there. Hoping better. It is tight. I'm going to spray this off with a little PB. I don't want to dry out that seal. Let me clean that up a little bit. That looks better from what I can see. I'm going to put a little bit of grease on here. This is multi-purpose grease. Take off any excess. Okay, now I'm going to try to slide this back up on there. It's a little tighter fit. I don't know why. Well, I guess I can see why they staked it down in two places. It is grooved out there. It seems pretty good. Put a little bit of blue RTV on there. Washer went on this way. Put nut back on. It should be good. I'm going to tighten this down as far as I can get it till the engine starts letting loose. I just wanted to show you that the part number for this Stryker pulley I'm installing is 27D-17651-00. Picked this up from Action Motorsports. I'm going to be torquing this to 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds. So let's see if I can get her tightened. we go. Which the flat spots are right here. And right here. And that's going to be a little more difficult to get into. So let's take us out of gear. Now I can rotate this. I'm going to stake it down right here. That looks pretty good. This side looks good. It should be nice. Okay, I'm going to go and tighten up the belt. I'm going to start by adjusting this side. There's a mark right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the fourth mark back. That seems pretty good. I'm going to check the other side, make sure I'm even. Well, this one's a little more difficult to see into. I can't tell where my marks are, if that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to come back a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Right there is 4. I'm going to try to bring my adjuster out. And now I'm going to try to turn this out. Got a ways to go. Let's see. Just a little bit more. Let me go check the other side. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. That fourth mark is kind of right at the beginning of this notch. So that's where I'm going to set it. I'm going to check the belt tension, but I think it's within spec. I'm going to measure the deflection of the belt. They're saying that at 10 foot-pounds, which is right here, I push this up, that's equal to 10 foot-pounds. This should move up from its location here a maximum of 20 thousandths, which they are claiming that each one of these marks is 20 thousandths. So right now, if I go at that lowest point, there's one, the second line up, 2, 3. At 10 pounds, I'm up to 4. So 2, 4, 6 according to them. It should only go up that far, they're saying. It's 20 thousandths. Yeah, let's hit them right there. Okay. Second line up. 20 thousandths. 40 thousandths. 60 thousandths. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave it at 60 thousandths because really I think that the measurements they give is too tight. I'm going to try it at that. Okay, I got the adjuster tightened on this side with this 12mm crow's foot and this 12mm wrench. So I'm going to tighten this up to 110 foot-pounds or 150 Newton meters. I'm using this wrench, 27-inch or 27mm. I can slide in here. I'll probably just have to do it a little bit at a time. That's 100 foot-pounds. I'm gonna let her at that. Okay, bags are reinstalled. I gotta lower the bike back down to the ground, but I will check. Make sure there's no noise coming from this. It sounds nice and smooth. Belt tension feels good. gonna do is lower her down, take her for a test drive, and see how it works. Well, that'll do it for replacing the front drive pulley on the 2007 Vstar 1300 Tour. I installed the Stryker pulley. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.